Hi there, this is Bikesh Roy. So I'm started recording the video for our AI automation series. So um, just let me know if you can hear the voice clearly and you can understand my language, and please ignore my appearance and my background. Okay, so in the series, so we will going through the primary process, workflow process, project files, and the other things that I will be added in this sheet, so you can follow step by step. So to do that, so I'm going to purchase a domain. In this project, we are going to show the live website so that you can understand each and every single step. And if you have any uh, question or any query, please comment below in the video. So I think I should publish the video on the YouTube channel, and then you can check the videos, and then you can comment or discuss on the group. And here is our groups: Facebook. Okay, so this is my another group. So we can talk about AI SEO by Bikash Roy. Okay, so this is the group. You can also discuss here. I can ask question here, and I will make a videos, or I will replay on your question. Okay, so let's move to the domain registration. So first thing first, we need to register the domain, and then we will install WordPress and follow the next process. So okay, so this one more thing. So please, this is without scripted video, without planned video. So this is not like I'm running any course or something like that. So I am just still learning. So I am, whatever I learn, I will share with you. Okay, so I have gained traffic. I have drive traffic on this type of website. So I'm just showing you this domain. This is a local business. This is a carpet cleaning company. So I'm just testing this domain in front of you, so you can understand actually from scratch. Okay, so let's move on. So I'm going to add to cart the domain. So I'm taking for 1 year, and let's going to purchase the domain. Okay, so this is my company Gronion, and let's complete the payment. Okay, so once payment is done, so Stinger will be redirect to the website installation. So I think if it takes so much time, then I will skip the videos or pause the video recording, and then we can start from there. Okay, so I think this is already there. So let me going to the WordPress installation. So yeah, we can register here. And one thing, I am not a I am not a video editor, so I am not really edit anything. So I will upload the raw video on YouTube and Facebook and the other places. So okay, baltimorecarpetcompany.com is registered successfully. So it will redirect me to the direct installation page, and we can also do that. So you can also skip this section for your convenience. And yeah, let's go from there. Okay, so I think this takes too much long. Okay, so again, so we can create the website, and the hosting your onboard is really taking too much time. So what we can do is we need to install the WordPress first, and then go next, and we should choose a domain. So this is the baltimorecarpetcompany.com, and next we can also choose a, a temporary domain to check the install the WordPress, but in this project I am completely starting a project that is testing and driving the traffic. Okay, so let's check the details here. So this is the infogronion. Okay, let's keep as it is. So build from scratch. Okay, so I think this might take some time, so you can also pause or make it forward, or you can skip this section for your convenient. Okay, so yeah, again, please ignore my appearance and my background sound or my background appearance, and I would request you to just uh, give your focus on the tips. Okay, so I am going to pause this recording right now here, and then we are going to directly to the WordPress dashboard. So I am pausing here. Hey, welcome back here again. So this is the WordPress dashboard for our testing website here, and what I will do is I am going to do some general changes, like adding the keyword Baltimore carpet company, and then remove the .com, Baltimore carpet company, family. Okay, trusted and reliable Okay, so we can just keep it as it is and then save changes, and then we are going to change the permalink. Maybe it's okay, no problem. Okay, so what next? So our process is next from there. So we purchase a domain, so we have the things done, and install WordPress, these things also done, and install an SEO plugin. In this project I will use rank math first, because right now our SEO will be completely from the rank math, and then we will do the rest. So I'm going to deactivate it, all the plugins, and then I'm going to active rank math. Yeah, so rank math activated. Okay, we can skip the steps and do the advanced settings, and alternate name, I don't think so, so we will do them later. Sitemap categories, yeah. So this is the basic things you can set up yourself, so you can skip this step or you can move forward. Okay, so the video will be too lengthy, so I think yeah, you can skip this step, no problem. Okay, save and continue. Okay, so this is the basic settings, we can do that, and then what we can do is the basic image SEO, LLM local SEO, and then blah blah blah. Okay, so we are going to we are going to check the theme. Okay, that's it. So I think this don't need in this project, so I'm going to delete. So the thing is, here is the main thing. What we can do is we can use any existing theme, or we can develop a new theme from scratch by Cloud Agent. Okay, so in my case what I do is I develop a custom theme for myself based on my requirement, not the other WordPress existing theme, because those themes have different type of custom fields, different type of custom metas and everything. That's why I need to taking hassle for those themes. But for me, whatever I want, I can just replace and I can add everything on my theme. So I will make a theme by Cloud and do the other things. Okay, so I'm going to pause this step from now, and we will going to our next step, which is so this is the things, like no need to install theme. We will build ourselves as we will focus on performance and efficient crawling of the pages. Okay, so this is the things we need, that a theme. Okay, so before making the theme, we need a plugin that calls custom API bridge plugin. So this plugin will be create an API key, which is also, you can also create the same key from your WordPress application password. So what the password will be, you can go to profile, user, and then edit, and you can also create the application password from here. You can also do the same thing from by making these things. But what I can do is, the REST API sometimes breaks the rules, or sometimes too slow, or sometimes like your endpoints doesn't work, and that's why we need a custom plugin that actually create, delete, optimize, and whatever you wanted to wanted for your WordPress website, that can does everything. So that plugin we need to create. So in this phase, we need that custom plugin, Breeze plugin, that have at least 40 to 45 endpoints, including rank math metadatas and WordPress REST API things. So we will do that later. So for that, I'm going to pause the video from here, and then we will go to the project folder. Okay, so this is the project folder I will handle. But in this video, what I will do is, I will just create the folder and do the basic other things. Okay, let me pause and get back to you. Hey, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the process of starting a project folder. So I have VS Code folder. So this is the VS Code. So that means this is the Visual Studio Code I am using right now. So this is the Visual Studio Code, and I have already integrated my extension for Cloud extension here, as you can see. So you can also use anti-gravity or VS Code, whatever you have prefer, but I am preferring right now VS Code. So what I have did is, I installed Cloud. So I have installed Cloud in this IDE, and I have also installed Codex. I already have installed. So I have already have installed the Codex OpenAI agent. So you can also do the same thing. And then we have our shading right now, and open the folder we already have created here. As you can see, I have created the Baltimore Carpet Company. Okay, so this is the project, and we are opening a project folder under my VS Code. And then what we can do is Baltimore Carpet Company. So this is the project folder, Baltimore Carpet Company. So I am opening here. So everything is come up here. So what I can do is, I can double click, or I can click here to open my Cloud. Okay, so here we can do everything. So let me know if you have already worked with VS Code or any IDE like Cursor or anti-gravity. So you already have that idea. But if you don't have any idea, then just let me know. I have to create another video about this ID, whatever it's anti-gravity or VS Code. So let me create a draft folder. So like for me, this is my concept, this is my idea, how I have imagined this project. Like let me show you. So this is the project, right? This is the project. So this is the project, and I have an idea and I have a concept, right? So before I making the website, I will or I have to have an concept about the project. So that concept you can keep in a draft, or you can just say your Claude about what you are actually going to do with that particular project. So to do that, we can just talk about Cloud Chat, and then we can do everything. So first thing first, let's do some chat with this for this folder. Okay, so I'm going to share some details. This is the basic details I'm going to share. So hey, create a okay, this is a project that I want to accomplish to be a successful. Okay, this is the project that I want to accomplish organic ranking, generating leads from generating leads and generating leads. Okay, this is the organic ranking, generating leads, calls, and overall SEO performance. So below are the details that I want from you. Below the just okay. So this is the project. I think we should target the project name. Okay, already we have in that particular project, so we can just do the name of the project, right? This is the project. So Baltimore. Okay, so I'm completely missing something, or like I may be missing, so just follow this and you can ask me anything later. Okay, so this is without any script or without any planning, so I'm just recording this video and showing you how it actually works. So this is the particular project that I want to accomplish: organic ranking, generating leads, calls, and improve overall SEO performance. Okay, below are the details that I want from you. Okay, so this is going to be the details that we are actually asked for Claude, and what actually we want for this project. Okay, so here is the project website. So here is the project website. I want you to build a plugin that can do everything from Cloud Chat. Okay, so the plugin will be do every endpoints of WordPress feature, including posting and post page, meta, upload, delete, backdate, forward date, edit, slacks, upload image, delete image, and change the image slug title, alt tag, and every all the text. Okay, I will use WP application. Okay, so the plugin will be generate a API key to connect cloud code, and the key will be saved securely into the project.env file. Okay, and then I want you to design a then I want you to make a custom theme for this project. Then I want you to create a custom theme for this project, where I will have a design aesthetics and design assets. Okay, so let's make plan for this project. Okay, then we can also talk more, like I have some okay, so for this project my primary location is Baltimore, MD. So I want you to do some web research. I want you to do some web research for the competitors to bring the design aesthetics and ideas. Okay, so for this project my primary location is Baltimore, so I want you to do some web research for competitors to bring some design aesthetics and gaps design gaps, so my design can be looks professional, build trust, and converts easily. Okay, so and then we can ask Claude, let's plan for this project. Okay, so for this I am going to plan mode, and then what I can do is I have the Opus model for this project, so it will be started creating the folder. Okay, so we can also do other things, like obviously we have some other like install activities and things on that. Okay, so this is the next workflow, but what I am actually doing is I am jumping from here and there, but the workflow process should be install VS Code and anti-gravity, but I already have that. So if you don't have, then I will ask you please do some question on the group or give me some your thoughts on this video. But for me, I will go through the installation process for the automation. Okay, so I think I should stop here because we need to do some things before uh, like creating the project folders first. All right, we have did that, and we have also plugin or blah blah blah. But if you have still don't install the VS Code and Python or other things, then I think we should go with that. But the primary process we already built, and we have the draft here we can make. We can also do the same draft in a draft at one text folder, and then we can just keep that text just draft.txt file, and we can ask cloud to just read the file and do the next things. Okay, so this is the process we have come up so far. So I think we don't need to jump first. So just give me a basic ideas that you are actually know about how to install the VS Code or ND Gravity and then Python and Node.js. Then I can go from there. Okay, so thanks today for coming up and for last of the video. So see you in the next session. Thank you.